Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. I'm Amelia, and in today's video, we're going to learn about column multiplication. We'll be multiplying two-digit numbers together, using a special method that involves carrying numbers and the zero rule for accurate results. If you're new to column multiplication or need a reminder, make sure to check out the first two videos in our playlist for a step-by-step guide. Let's dive into our first example. 67 multiplied by 43. First, place the larger number, 67, at the top of your paper. Then, underneath it, write the smaller number, 43, making sure to line up the ones and tens columns correctly. Feel free to draw lines on your paper to keep your numbers organized. Once you've done that, draw a horizontal line under the smaller number and add a multiplication sign. When we multiply two-digit numbers, we need to take it step by step. We'll start by multiplying the ones place of the smaller number, 3, by both the ones and the tens of the larger number, 67. We will write this result under the horizontal line. Next, we'll multiply the tens place of the smaller number, 4, by the larger number, 67. We will write this result just below the first one. The first result, shown in blue, is the product of 3 multiplied by 67. The second result, shown in yellow, is the product of 40 multiplied by 67. So how do we arrive at the final result of 67 multiplied by 43? We simply add the blue and yellow results together. Then, we will arrive at the final result. Typically, we draw another horizontal line to distinguish the intermediate results from the final result. Let's do the math. 3 times 7 equals 21. Write down the 1 and carry the 2 above the tens column. Then, multiply 3 by 6, which equals 18. Don't forget to add the 2 we carried, making it 20. Now, let's multiply 40 by 67. But first, we have to erase or strike out the carrying number. It will prevent future mistakes. Here is a trick to multiply 67 by 40. Add a 0 in the ones place. Then easily multiply 67 by 4. 4 times 7 equals 28. Write down the 8 and carry the 2. Then, multiply 4 by 6, which equals 24. Don't forget to add the 2 we carried, making it 26. So, if we look more deeply, we can see that the result of multiplying 3 by 67 is 201, and the result of multiplying 40 by 67 is 2680. Now, we have to add these two results together, 201 and 2680. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 8 equal 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. And let's rewrite the 2 under the line. And there we have it. The final result is 2881. Great job! Let's now take another example, 64 multiplied by 29. First, place the larger number, 64, at the top of your paper. Then, underneath it, write the smaller number, 29, making sure to line up the ones and tens columns correctly. Once you've done that, draw a horizontal line under the smaller number and add a multiplication sign. We'll start by multiplying the ones place of the smaller number, 9, by both the ones and the tens of the larger number, 64. Write this result under the horizontal line. Next, we'll multiply the tens place of the smaller number, 2, by the larger number, 64. Write this result just below the first one. The first result, shown in blue, is the product of 9 multiplied by 64. The second result, shown in yellow, is the product of 20 multiplied by 64. To arrive to the final result, we will simply add the blue and yellow results together. Let's do the math. 9 times 4 equals 36. Write down the 6 and carry the 3 above the tens column. Then, multiply 9 by 6, which equals 54. Don't forget to add the 3 we carried, making it 57. Now, let's multiply 20 by 64. But first, we have to erase or strike out the carrying number. It will prevent future mistakes. Remember the trick in adding a 0 in the ones place. Then easily multiply 64 by 2. 2 times 4 equals 8. Write down the 8. Then, multiply 2 by 6, which equals 12. We can see here that the result of multiplying 9 by 64 is 576, and the result of multiplying 20 by 64 is 1280. Now, we have to add these two results together. 6 plus 0 is 6. 7 plus 8 equals 15. Write down the 5 and carry the 1. 5 plus 2 plus 1 equals 8. And let's rewrite the 1 under the line. And there we have it. The final result is 1856. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more math tutorials and tips.